You're supposed to be fishing. All right. You're okay.
Well, good buddy.
How to be brave? How can I love when
I feel like I'm at like an arcade game or something. There you go, TikTok.
I'm watching
Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute.
all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Oh,
One step
hi.
closer. I have died every day
How
waiting.
tiny he is. He's so cute.